Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Sign in with your Microsoft account and confirm Viva Goals license access today. Connect Viva Goals to Teams for in-app collaboration and visibility. Add team members and assign owners plus contributors for each objective in your workspace. Configure permissions so owners can edit and contributors can update progress. Set a cadence for reviews, such as weekly check-ins or quarterly planning, and schedule recurring meetings in Teams. Enable notifications so your team receives check-in reminders and alignment prompts automatically. Write a clear objective that explains the desired outcome and impact. Attach 3 to 5 measurable key results to each objective so progress is measurable. Use measurable targets like 5,000 revenue or 25% conversion improvement for clarity. Assign each key result an owner and a target date for tracking progress towards completion. Choose the correct measurement type, such as numeric, percentage, or Boolean, and enter baseline and target values. Save the objective and verify it appears in your team workspace for everyone. Perform check-ins weekly and update key result values to reflect current status and momentum. Use alignment to link objectives upward so teams see contribution to company goals. Review roll-up progress on dashboards and watch aggregated charts for real-time insight into health. Export reports as CSV when you need offline analysis or shareable records for stakeholders. Integrate Viva Goals with Teams, Azure DevOps, or Power BI to sync work items and visualize trends. Conduct monthly reviews to recalibrate targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.